What's up, people? My name's Lee Tyler and this is Lee Tyler's Adventures. Yeah! Today I'm going to go to a waterfall. I haven't been to one in a while. Maybe 2 waterfalls. We'll see how the day goes. But yeah, it should be good. The weather is finally nice in Koh Phangan. It's warm, a little bit of sun. So that's good. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share. All the good stuff. Then let's get into the video. So I arrived at the waterfall and fucking hell, the road is bad again. I'm going to try to show it to you this time. I'm going to make sure. But fuck me, that was hard. Not as hard as the other one. Not as long. Just this one was like hard as well. So yeah. But I'm here and let's check it out. So there's also a viewpoint here, so I'm going to quickly check that out. I speak English. And then I'm going to go swim. Yeah, let's go. Okay, I don't know if this is the right trail, but fuck it, we're going to go on a little adventure. This doesn't look like a normal viewpoint trail, so yeah, might die. Okay, I don't think it was a viewpoint because I've found nothing. I've been walking up for about 5-10 minutes, so I must have went the wrong way, but I found nothing. So I'm gonna go back to the waterfall and have a nice swim. Yeah. Okay, so I found this on the way down. This might be the viewpoint, or I don't know, but it's pretty nice anyway. So I didn't actually film me going for a swim, but I had a nice little swim. It's cold, very cold. But yeah, it was nice. It's not really a waterfall you watch, more like you swim in it, which I like as well. I'm not a great swimmer, I'm trying to learn, get better. But yeah, I might go to the next one now. I'm going to have a look around, see what's on the maps, and then go to wherever. We'll see. sorry it was bad quality. I did it on my phone because my GoPro isn't working again. So that's great. But yeah, so that was the road. It was fucking hard to do with one hand. But I made it, and I'm gonna go to a different waterfall now. Okay, so the waterfall I'm about to go to is actually about to close because it's only 4 o'clock. So I think I might go back to the hostel and, I don't know, maybe swim in the pool. So I chilled at the pool for a while, had a shower, and the pool was so deep. I don't even know how deep it was. And it was cold as well. But it was nice. I chilled there for a bit, and I think I might gonna go get some food now. Yeah. So it's actually the next day, and I'm gonna go to a different waterfall, and because I seen some people in my hostel, they went to it, and it looked absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go to that hostel, not hostel, sorry, waterfall, and check it out.